Out the door into the sun, a brand new adventure has begun. Leo and Mia skip and sing, happy joy to everything. Grab your bag and hold on tight, morning colors shining bright. Off they go without a care, laughter floating in the air. Up the hill and down they go, watching all the world below. Left and right the colors fly, underneath the big blue sky. Trees are dancing in the breeze, butterflies among the leaves. Every moment bright and new, golden morning shining through. What a beautiful day to play, singing all our cares away. Clap your hands and jump up high, wave your arms up to the sky. Laugh and dance and spin around, feel the joy without a sound. What a beautiful bright hooray, what a beautiful day. Baby giggling in the light, tiny smile so warm and bright. Little hands reach for the sun, playing, playing, having fun. Mama laughing soft and sweet, dancing to the happy beat. Everyone together here, everything is warm and clear. Are you happy?